good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the same place you see at all these railway exhibitions.
Huh?
And they're watching the trains go around.
Yeah.
It's the same place, you know, looking there, there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Did he get you there?
Yeah. What? How we do Mommy.
I just found your channel, Haley and Caleb.
Hi guys, today we are unboxing a toy that I just told you when we were just unboxing, and this is gonna be another unboxing. You know that? Another unboxing. And that's all we got in here. That's the place where we're going to and this is the hanger for the tails over here. Then it's gonna go like there. I think it's gonna be like that. And then we have the top that we need to put a sticker on. This is that sticker. And then this is a baseball bat. Yeah. The stand pushing. I don't know what to put it. Again, as I was saying, this is the Crimson Pointer, and we've got two of these thingies. I don't know what they are.
You don't know what they are.
And this is a plate.
Wow.
Important because
Put them in here.
glass.
It's so cute.
It's glass.
Yeah, don't break it. Oh, wow.
And
Oh, what's that? It's a sauce? No. Hand wash. You can remove that. What are these?
the chair.
Chair. Wow. You have a cute
A
chair.
bunny chair.
A bunny
Like
chair.
cutie.
Okay, what else?
And some
Oh, wow. Some sauce for your kitchen.
and some things.
What's this? Oh, wow. You got
And
utensils
some
for cups.
food. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, look. Food. That's nice. Come here. You're going to cook for me.
Yeah. We're going to cook the food.
Okay.
Cook the
What
food.
else?
And this.
Wow, I like this. We can pretend play on this one.
Yeah.
Like Ryan.
Yeah.
You need battery on this one?
Yeah, we do, I think.
Okay.
And then, now guys, we got this. And also another one. Oh. And some chicken small. And we also got this. And we also got another one of those things. And the pool, no,
That's a sink?
Yeah,
We'll
the
never
sink.
know. We'll have a look on
and
the
this is
picture.
the point where the water's gonna go.
Oh,
The
wow.
Thames water.
Wow.
Oh, I think it is the Thames water.
Maybe.
In my class. And this is where we're gonna do it.
And this is your wallpaper, your stickers.
Oh, stickers!
Yay, we can put stickers on your sauce. Wow, these are the doors for your fridge and your oven. Oh wow, that's a handle. Okay, so this turns into this one. Kitchen plate set. Okay, so we pushed it in here. And then this one to Haley. You hold that there. Hands. Make it stand. Okay, perfect. That's it. Here we go. Fridge door.
Really?
Oh man, that makes
sticker time.
This is the very big one. Mom, look. Well,
Yeah. That's just right way up.
that's it.
The number goes at the top.
No, no.
No, no, the other way.
The other way.
Oh, is this the top?
That's it, yeah.
At me, Daddy. At me, Daddy.
Here.
Stop pushing me.
Well done. No. That way.
Oh.
I think. Yeah, chicken on the top. Yeah.
That's right.
This is difficult to do. Oh, no, it isn't. No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
You've got a chair anyway, a bunny chair.
Huh?
Oh, wow. So you have to put water on this one, don't you? Look.
I'll put that one on first and then we'll...
What's the Uncle Otto?
Right, there's a hook on this side. A crack.
Yee-hee.
I have to put that to see. Oh. Wait, no. I could do it.
Well done, Hailey.
And then I want to hang it now.
Yes. Caleb, don't forget your hand wash,
Well, you've
Caleb.
got to put stickers on your bottles.
Wash your hands. That's it. Wash your hands. Do.
This and the pancakes.
Wow.
You cook pancakes and these on it now. Our marshmallow or the marshmallow?
Marshmallow? You want to? You're ordering marshmallow.
Marshmallow, marshmallow. No.
Spoon. That's enough. You got a fork. Wow, you got a knife. Wow.
Beep. Yeah.
Oh, it's only on the cover.
I'm gonna put the cup here.
Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, put them exactly as what in the picture.
What's this?
Three batteries.
How many batteries? So we need battery for this one. It's double A.
Three double A.
3 double A.
Oh. Down there.
There's more batteries.
What's that? Boiling? You're boiling potatoes.
Oh.
Caleb, can you cook food for mommy? Okay, that's for the milk, Kales. Make sure it's not upside down. Yeah, there you go. Just wrap it down there. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Woohoo! Don't forget over there. Put that on there. Normally in the fridge. We'll put that in the fridge later. That's it. And this one, mayonnaise. Oh, wait. It should be on here.
Yeah, that's right.
That's it. Perfect. Well done. Okay. That's okay. Right, put them back. Put that in there. Wait. Upside down. Yeah, that's all right. That's correct. Well done. Good.
If that, it'll pick up water and you can suck it back out.
What?
It'll suck up water and it'll suck it back out and see.
Here we go, guys. This is my new kitchen, and we're done doing the video now. So, see you next time. Bye, guys.
Well, I like that, Hayley. Hot dogs and shrimp.
Stingray.
Oh,
Stingray. Stingray.
Did you say shrimp?
Yes, please. Ooh, I like hot dogs and shrimp. Sausage and shrimp.
So I'm gonna
Taylor, eat your food a bit.
put in your plate too.
Taylor,
And
eat some
then,
food.
I haven't, yeah, I have
Goodbye.
the plate, but I don't know where the plates are.